CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that's done over 42,000 videos over 5 years. So I've seen what's actually printing me money and what's not. And having done, over this for 5 years and documenting everything, you can see that even my previous idea last week, when I looked to take it further up, has delivered. And now we've made new highs. Now, regardless of that point, now, if you don't believe me, now we're sitting at 225 bucks. First time I started making videos, this thing, I believe it was like 70 something. It was 76 bucks. You can clearly see that here. This is like 104 bucks. This is 2 weeks back. And like needless to say, I'm just looking very open-minded to taking it further up. What I'm not going to do though is randomly start buying, you know what I mean? So only if there's that shift is when I'll care. And if not, right, simply just not, I'm not going to focus on this. And people still overcomplicate this sort of stuff. So if you do want to learn how making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll see you in the next one.